So this is an unboxing of one of the SAL PIXIE Flexi Smart LED strip kits. These kits come in a variety of 2 and 5 meters in different colors, whether it's RGB or 3 different colors of white, warm white, cool white and daylight. So this is the 5 meter pack, and this is just meant to show you what's inside and how fast it is to get operational with your app and get things rolling. So we'll open it up, we'll have a look inside. So it's pretty straightforward. You've got the 5 meters of strip on a nice little circular cable. Got a DC connector there ready to go. An instruction manual, your 240 volt cable, the little controller itself, so the SAL PIXIE Bluetooth module controller, and then the AC power supply, which just gets plugged straight into the 240 volt and into the supply. And it also comes with a little remote control if you wanted to use that, so really good for like kids' bedrooms and that kind of stuff. We'll just put that to the side for the moment. This is really straightforward. Get all these little things off. So my AC adapter and my 240 volt plug. That, connect the end of that into the bottom of this, and then the IR transmitter for the remote control, and then the connector into the LED strip directly. It's keyed, so then you lock it in and then you know it's in there and safe. Just move that out of the way, instruction kit, and then we'll plug that in. Comes on straight away. What I'll do is I'll take my app out, I'll just get the app running. So this is the PIXIE app is running. Now I'm in an environment where there's a lot of PIXIE devices at the moment, but you can see here at the top, because I'm closest to it, it comes at the top as the white strip. I'll just add that into my PIXIE home. That is done. LED responds and tells you, hey, this is what's going on. I'll just save that into my home, cancel the devices, go to the devices, and I have instant control. I can go into here, gives you a little bit of a tutorial, but I can turn it on and off from here, and then I can dim it up and down. And that's it. That's the PIXIE LED strip kits, which are plug and play with the PIXIE app, PIXIE Plus app. Extremely fast to get up operational. They come with a little backing on it, which is a 3M strip. So ideally these would be connected to some kind of extrusion, which of course SAL National also provides. Recommended to ensure that you get the longevity out of the strip that you expect. This strip can be cut. You can see it's got the cutting locations on it. We'll stretch it out a little bit so you can see it. Can be trimmed to size if you wanted to. It is 12 volts and it's warm white, this one. And you can see it's all molded and ready to go without the electrician or the homeowner having to do much except put some extrusion on it to ensure that there's an appropriate heatsink on it to provide the longevity.